Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. In the first step, we need to open File Explorer. Then we need to go to this PC, open C drive, then open Program Files, open Google folder, then open Chrome folder, open Application folder, and here we need to change the uh, you know Chrome name. So right click on it, select show more options and click on rename. Then simply add 1 at the end and hit enter, and right click on it, click on show more option and send it to the desktop. We need to create a shortcut. Now close the window, just double click on it. Okay, now click on the three dots, go to settings, click on these three lines, click on privacy and security, just scroll down and click on clear browsing data. Select all time and clear the data, and simply restart your system and your problem will be solved for sure. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix the issue. And yeah, don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.